Hi lovers, you're welcome to Coco's Craft, where we talk about fashion, marketing, content creation, and sales. So today I'm going to show you how to level up your photo from this to the next slide using the Adobe Lightroom Photoshop app without you having fancy gadgets, heavy lighting, and so on. Easy in 5 minutes. Alright, so we are in the Lightroom app right now, and you're going to select your desired picture and import it successfully into the app. And this is the before, so you can see the icons at the bottom, and I'm going to click on lights. First we will increase the exposure and then the contrast. So exposure helps to lighten and brighten up your product or your pictures. It brightens up the background, it brightens up the fabric, and so on. So the next, we are going to go to contrast. We're going to increase the contrast. After brightening, some of the colors tends to wash out, so contrast helps to bring back color to your pictures or to your product. You can see that the blues and the greens are becoming sharp. Then we'll go over to shadows. So you use your shadows. Your shadows helps to take away any reflection behind your picture or your product. And also blacks, if you have any black in your picture, this blacks helps to deepen it and make it more pronounced. Yes, so that is what we are going to do. You can see the before and the after. So next we're going to go over to details. We're going to bring out all the details in this product and make it very clear. So the first thing we're going to do is to sharpen our picture. This helps to give it that crispy and smart look. So just sharpen it a little bit. You can see when you click on sharpen, the other icons will pop up. So sharpen just a little bit, then increase the details. You're not going to touch the radius, just increase the details to 100. This helps to bring more life to your pictures or your product. Next, we're going to increase the noise reduction. This helps to make your product or your pictures look very real instead of edited. Most people won't even know that you edited the pictures. And now we go over to color noise reduction. You just increase it a little. This helps you when you zoom into your picture. Everything is going to be smooth. The colors are going to be in cooperation and everything will align with each other. You're going to click on color, the color icon, and increase just the saturation. The saturation helps to deepen the colors in your product. So whatever color you have, saturation deepen it more. Okay, I don't want the pictures to be washed out, so just deepen your saturation a little bit, and you can see the before and the after. Our product is bright, our colors are popping, our picture is smooth, the details are visible. You can see the before, you can see the after, and it looks very real. And this is just the 3 things you have to do: details, light, and color. And just save your photos and you're good to go to post on your social media, right? So just play around with it, test it, do it as desired, and you're going to come out with great photos and more ideas.